Introducing Mohawk's RevWood collection, American-made flooring that blends the natural beauty of hardwood with advanced technology for unbeatable performance. RevWood is designed to fit every lifestyle and aesthetic, offering a wide range of styles from classic oak to modern gray tones. RevWood replicates the natural beauty of hardwood with authentic details that enhance its timeless appeal. With Mohawk's signature technology, each plank is designed with up to 75 layers of texture and over 1,000 colors per square inch, creating stunning detail and depth you can see and feel. Choose from a variety of stunning styles, from modern to traditional, to find the perfect match for your home. With options like RevWood Select, RevWood Plus, and RevWood Premier, there's a design for every taste and lifestyle. Engineered for real life, RevWood features Wet Protect, the ultimate waterproof technology that ensures complete protection from spills and splashes. With all pet protection, scratches, accidents, and messes are no match for its durable surface. With the Uniclick system, installation is quick and seamless, making RevWood the perfect choice for DIY projects. Discover the unmatched beauty, durability, and innovation of Mohawk's RevWood collection, available now at Floor City. Floors built for living.